Find the area of the region bounded by y is tan x, y is cot x, and the lines x is 0, pi by 2 and y is 0. Tan 0 is 0 because it is between 0 and pi by 2 only, and cot 0 is 1 by 0, it is infinity, and tan pi by 4 is 1. Cot pi by 4 is also equal to 1. And tan 90 is infinity and cot 90 is 0, reciprocal of infinity, so it is 0. So let us draw the diagram now. First let us draw for tan. So this is 0 here. Somewhere here you have pi by 4 where both the curves meet. Tan pi by 4, they are intersecting. So tan pi, this pi by 4, let us take here pi by 2. And this side is 1, okay, this side is minus 1, okay. So tan 0 is 0, tan pi by 4 is, it reaches 1, for tan pi by 4 it reaches 1, okay. Then 1.1, 1.2 like this. At 90 there is an asymptote. At 90 the curve reaches infinity, it goes like this. 90 the curve is reaching infinity, okay. So this is your tan curve, it goes like this. Tan 0 is 0, tan pi by 4 is 1, and then it goes like this. It comes closer and closer to this line, but it will not touch this line. Now let us draw the cot. So cot 0, it reaches infinity, it will not touch the y axis. Cot 0 is infinity. Cot pi by 4 is again 1. Cot pi by 4 is 1. So the curve of this will be, it will be like this. It will not touch the y axis. It will come like this. Okay. So this is your cot. So this is the cot. So we need the area in between. So how do you find this area? This is the area we need. Okay. So 0 to pi by 4 plus pi by 4 to pi by 2. So when I take 0 to pi by 4, the upper, that boundary, the boundary is the equation of the upper boundary. Equation of the upper boundary curve. This is the upper boundary, right? This red curve is the upper boundary. So what is the equation of the red curve? This is tan x curve. And this is cot x curve. This white is cot. And this is the asymptote. Okay, this line is the asymptote. Asymptote means it will not touch the curve, but it will go closer and closer to the curve. So let us now find the area. Area is this area. That is, we have to split this into two parts. So 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4. The curve, the boundary is red. Can you see from 0 to pi by 4, the boundary is red. Red means it is tan x curve. So 0 to pi by 4, it is tan x curve plus, okay, this will give you this area between the x axis. So this is the boundary. So you need not subtract because it is bounded by the line x is equal to 0. So 0 to pi by 4 tan x plus pi by 4 to pi by 2. If I take pi by 4 to pi by 2, you can just see the boundary. The boundary is cot x curve. The white is the cot x curve. So plus cot x dx. So that is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 4. Tan x integration is log secant x 0 to pi by 4 plus cot x integration is log sin x. Limit is from pi by 4 to pi by 2. So just substitute the values here. So log secant x, secant pi by 4 minus log secant upper limit minus lower limit. Substitute the upper limit first. Similarly here log sin pi by 2 minus log sin pi by 4. So it is equal to log secant pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Secant pi by 4 is root 2. Cos 0 is 1. Secant 0 is also 1. So minus log 1 plus log sin 90. Sin 90 is 1 minus log sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So this get cancelled. So log root 2. So log root 2 minus log 1 by root 2. You know the property log A minus log B is log A by B. This is the quotient rule in logarithms. So we can write this as log root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. So it is log root 2 into root 2. So it is equal to log 2. So that's the answer, log 2 square units.